Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. In today's video, we're going to be shopping at Home Goods to see what kind of goodies they have. So stick with me to the end so you can see what I hold. Thank you so much for watching.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, gone ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, gone ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, gone ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, gone ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, gone ahead.
From Home Goods, this was $40, and it is actually a rug, but I am going to use this as a throw for the bottom of my bed. So I hope you can make that out. It's pretty long and beautiful, so soft, and I really, really love that. Okay. Also from Home Goods, I have these leaf, and I'm sure you've seen this before, metallic silver charger plates. The price on that was $12.99. Then I picked up a set of 4 of these, and I hope you can make that out okay, decorative boxes, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with those. The price on them was $7.99. For my master bath, I got this beautiful, honey, look at the bling. Yes, I got a beautiful bath set for my master bathroom, and I'll be showing you in very shortly what I'm doing up in the master bathroom. So I have the soap dispenser, the toothbrush holder, I have a little tray, and then the waste paper basket. Next, I picked up some pillows for my master bedroom. And the price on these was $24.99. It's a set of 2, so I didn't feel like that was too bad. And that is in gray. I also picked up some new bed pillows. And those are king size pillows. Down alternative. They're for a king bed. And the price on those was $19.99. So I didn't feel that was bad at all. So my niece, Kitty, is moving in to the dorm. So I'm also going to be doing her dorm room in just a few short weeks. So I picked up a couple of items. This one is from Five Below. It's a little rug for in front of her bed. I picked her up a set of 3 of these woven wicker baskets for storage, and the larger was $9.99, and I think the smaller was $3.99. And I also picked her up some candles for her room. Those are from the Dollar Tree. The colors that she chose, hunter green. So these are a set of 2 pillows in beautiful hunter green and bone, and these were $19.99 for the set of 2 from Ross. And I also got her a beautiful hunter green throw for her bed. That was $19.99. Then in this bag, I have a couple of items also from Five Below. She liked this kind of bohemian look. So I got this Magnolia Garland, and I got 3 of those, which I feel like should stretch around the dorm room. And also I got her some of these little artificial plants because she cannot keep a plant alive. God bless her heart. So I got her some artificial plants for her to have some greenery in her room, and also got a couple packs of these twinkle lights so I can string them through the Magnolia Garland. So while I was here, I just wanted to show you Goodwill. I picked up these items for my bathroom because I wanted to incorporate more white. So here I have a tissue box holder that was $2.99. I have a little angel, which I plan on keeping in the bathroom at all times. That was $2.99 as well. And then I also got this towel ring. Now listen to this. This towel ring I got from Goodwill, and you can see the price there, $2.99. I bought that second. First, I bought this towel ring from Home Goods, $12.99. Well, I don't see much difference, except for this one may be just a slight bit taller. But other than that, and it's a little heavier. So I'm thinking I may take that one back to Home Goods. So that's it. That's the haul for today. I wanted to share that with you along with the shop with me because it was pretty noisy in the store and I did not show you everything that I had bought. So be on the lookout for the decorating videos coming up soon. Master bathroom, master bedroom, Kitty's dorm room, and a couple other surprises in store. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this gives you some inspiration. And until next time.